Let's fly to New York with me for the first time. Day one in New York. Guys, when it comes to flying, I think I am a non-Haitian. Guess what? Because of that, I missed my flight. I got to the airport late. Of course, I didn't make it on time. Therefore, they have me waited on standby for the next flight. One thing about me for sure, I know I get what I want. I made it. So I ended up landed at New York at midnight. I took a Uber to my hotel. I think the hotel name called Moro by Marriott. It was very nice, smelled good, cozy, and it also located at Times Square. The only complaint I have for this hotel, their room are too small. Okay, that's my only complaint. En tout cas, hotel la te ban mwen $30 credit. I woke up in the morning. Um, I don't know if I would say breakfast or brunch because it was around 10 to 11. But the food was really delicious, guys. I had me some avocado toast and eggs and pancake, as you can see. Then it was time for me to get my ass out to the damn street. Comme capable jam tap tremble. It was very cold. I screamed. Then I had to look up where I can find me some scarf and glove. I ended up at Forever 21. Too bad they did not have those. I bought the scarf in the street. I mean, you know. The street was a little empty. Mwen te tande the reason why parce que loi Messie sa venir. Then marché juste pour me faire mal. I ended up to get trained. This is the thing. I was trying to do things on my own, not taking any tour, any voices, none of that. I wanted to explore New York on my own, guys. I mean, I did for the most part. Anyway, while I was on my way to that, I was a little hungry, so I stopped to get me some pizza. You know, I'm a pizza lover. Then after I got some pizza, dite le punte ale, then I ended up at World Trade Center. It was very nice. A lot of people, beautiful. Guys, one thing I forgot to tell you about New York. Tellement gen rakete nan peyi sa nou yo rele New York lan. If you're not prepared, if you are not strong-minded, they will get every penny from your pocket. You got to be prepared for that. Guys, please tell me why I was looking for Haitian's name Memorial Museum. I don't know. Maybe I'm the only one as that. The moment kote mwen plizye flag from premye sa map chèche se flag haisyen. Anyway, so I purchased me a ticket to go on the sky high they have in that building. Well, it's very nice to see the world below me as I was on top of the world. Then it was time for me to go to Brooklyn Bridge. It was very nice, guys. Beautiful to see the sunset. Malheureusement, téléphone mwen te vin discharge. I wasn't able to capture every moment. I'll see you to the next video. Bye.